ਯੂਰ ਵੋਟ ਯੂਰ ਚੁਆਇਸ ਪ੍ਰੋਗਰਾਮ ਵਿੱਚ ਤੁਹਾਡਾ ਇੱਕ ਵਾਰੀ ਫਿਰ ਤੋਂ ਸਵਾਗਤ ਹੈ। ਸਾਡੀ ਕੋਸ਼ਿਸ਼ ਹੈ ਕਿ ਅਸੀਂ ਹਰ ਹਫਤੇ ਇੱਕ ਨਵੇਂ ਤੋਂ ਨਵੇਂ ਕੈਂਡੀਡੇਟ ਨੂੰ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਨਾਲ ਮਿਲਾਈਏ। ਇਹ ਉਹ ਲੋਕ ਆ ਜਿਹੜੀਆਂ ਆਉਣ ਵਾਲੀਆਂ ਅਗਲੀਆਂ ਫੈਡਰਲ ਇਲੈਕਸ਼ਨਸ ਨੇ 21 ਅਕਤੂਬਰ ਨੂੰ, ਉਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਕੈਂਡੀਡੇਟਸ ਨੇ। ਤੁਸੀਂ ਡਿਸਾਈਡ ਕਰਨਾ ਹੈ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਕਿਸ ਨੂੰ ਵੋਟ ਪਾਣੀ ਹੈ। ਇਹ ਫੈਸਲਾ ਤੁਹਾਡਾ ਹੈ, ਤੁਹਾਡਾ ਇਹ ਰਾਈਟ ਹੈ, ਹੱਕ ਹੈ। ਸਾਡਾ ਕੰਮ ਹੈ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਲੋਕਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਤੱਕ ਪਹੁੰਚਾਉਣਾ, ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੀ ਜਾਣਕਾਰੀ ਦੇਣੀ। ਸੋ ਅੱਜ ਸਾਡੇ ਨਾਲ ਇੱਕ ਬੜੇ ਹੀ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਨੇ ਜੀ ਐਨਰਜੈਟਿਕ ਇੱਕ ਯੰਗ ਕੈਂਡੀਡੇਟ ਨੇ NDP ਦੇ ਬਰੈਂਪਟਨ ਸੈਂਟਰ ਤੋਂ, ਜਾਰਡਨ ਬੋਸਵੈਲ। ਉਹ ਸਾਡੇ ਖਾਸ ਮਹਿਮਾਨ ਨੇ। ਅੱਜ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨਾਲ ਅਸੀਂ ਮਿਲਾਉਣ ਜਾ ਰਹੇ ਹਾਂ। ਜਾਰਡਨ, ਵੈਲਕਮ ਟੂ ਆਵਰ ਸਟੂਡੀਓ ਐਂਡ ਟੂ ਦਿਸ ਸ਼ੋ।
Thank you, Paji.
Thank you, Paji. Good. Wow. So how come you learned this few words of Punjabi?
Sure. So I worked very closely with Jagmeet Singh for a few years, and I'll say मैं Jordan Boswell, NDP Umeedwar, Brampton Centre. So picked up a little bit of Punjabi along the way, working with Jagmeet both here in Ottawa and in the House of Commons after he became leader.
Wonderful. Before we ask you about your profile, how did you come into contact with Jagmeet?
Sure. So I volunteered with his campaign in 2014 when he was a provincial member here in Brampton.
Were you studying at that time?
I was in university, so studying.
So what you were doing at university?
Political science at the University of Toronto.
Okay.
And got involved with Jagmeet as a volunteer and stayed involved with him as his career developed. I moved to Ottawa to do a master's degree in political management, and then came back to Brampton to work on his leadership campaign when he ran for leader of the party.
So why NDP and why Jagmeet?
Sure. Well, I think NDP, because I see them as a party that's fighting for everyday people. I think the Liberal and Conservatives that we've had have fought for corporations and the richest Canadians, but the NDP is really fighting for people like me and my family.
Okay.
And Jagmeet is just a leader that I believe in, very inspiring, very authentic. And just somebody that I think really cares about helping people.
Okay, before we ask you more about your experience with working with Jagmeet, tell us more about your family.
Sure. So I was born and raised here in Brampton, lived here my whole life with my family, grew up, went to school in the community, worked my first job at Bramley City Centre. So I know Brampton quite well.
Okay.
Still a lot of friends here. And a lot of memories for sure.
Your parents came to this country as immigrants?
So my parents were born here. My grandparents came.
Grandparents came.
Yeah, from the United Kingdom.
Okay.
But yeah, my parents were born here in Canada.
Okay. And being, from an immigrant family,
Sure.
I know most of us are immigrant in this country.
Sure.
So we share the same values, when we come to this country with big dreams. But of course, yes, when we have to decide, when we have to choose any political party, there are some reasons for that.
Sure.
So why NDP? What do you see in NDP, the values this party carries, that you decided to work with NDP and then become candidate from NDP?
Sure. Well, I can tell you there's very little NDP in my family. My parents were never voting NDP, and the rest of my family never voting NDP until I got involved. But it was really the 2011 federal election, and Jack Layton was somebody who I first kind of looked at as a leader that was really trying to build a country for all of us, whether we were new Canadians, established Canadians, and really a place where we all belong.
I see when Jagmeet came into politics,
Sure.
Apart from many other different things, I saw a large crowd of young people
Sure.
following him.
Yeah.
And since then I have seen whether he is contesting for provincial, federal or leadership, this big team is always with him.
It's all young people, and I'll say so that election that I first got involved in, I was in my second year of university, and before I went to the office, I thought I was going to be one of the youngest people, and that there would be all of these older people on the team. But I was one of the oldest on the team. It was a lot of high school students, a lot of university students. But I think that speaks to Jagmeet and his type of leadership and bringing young people in and elevating them, not just as volunteers, but as team members and people that can make a difference.
Okay, so Jagmeet has charisma,
Yes, he does.
He's being loved by the media also.
Sure.
Media is chasing him for all the time.
Sure.
So what are your experience working so closely with Jagmeet?
The biggest thing I would say is the person you see on TV is the person that he is every day. I've spent many of hours with him in airports, at hotels, at events, and he is the same person to everybody, whether there's a camera on or off. But I think more importantly, he's the same person he is today than he was before he was leader. And the position hasn't changed him at all. He's authentic. And just somebody that wants to help people. The role hasn't changed him at all. It hasn't changed his purpose and who he's fighting for. And I think that speaks a lot of him. Sometimes certain roles, I think, can change people's perspective, but he hasn't changed at all. He's the same person he is today as the day that I met him.
So while working for NDP, working with Jagmeet, you have seen lots of elections.
Yeah.
But working for some other candidate and becoming candidate yourself. So what difference you are seeing?
It is a bit. It's the biggest thing is seeing your face on a sign and seeing your name on a sign is something that I.
It's very daring, also. Eh?
It is. Yeah. It is. But it's also very humbling too.
Okay.
As somebody that's worked for other people, to now have people come to you or come to me and say, "I want to help. I want to volunteer." It's a very humbling experience and gives me a good perspective too, and a reminder of who I'm fighting for and why I'm doing
You
this.
were talking about Jack Layton.
Yeah.
I remember during those elections, lots of people were following him in Quebec.
Yes.
And most of them were students, university students.
Yes.
They could never imagine that one day they will be member parliament.
Yes,
And they
you're-
become,
they
during
did.
that wave, they were member parliaments.
Yeah, and I guess that's the way it goes sometimes, right? But I think that goes to show when you have a strong leader who's putting forward ideas that resonate with people, anything can happen. And I think that's why our team is so focused on talking to as many people in Brampton as possible. That's why Jagmeet is traveling across our country, meeting as many Canadians as he can, because you never know at the end of the day. And I think people are looking for something different. We've had Liberals and we've had Conservatives, but the people I'm talking to aren't feeling that their lives are any better. So they're looking for a new option and a new leader that will help them instead of just talk good things when the election comes, but actually follow through and act on it.
Okay, you have worked so close to Jagmeet
Yeah.
at this time when he needed you most. You are contesting as a candidate. So what was the reason behind that you became candidate instead of working at the federal level with Jagmeet?
Sure. So it was something that Jagmeet was very supportive of and very encouraging for me to do. But I felt like our community was being underrepresented. Brampton elected 5 Liberal MPs in the last election, so we should have had the strongest voice in the House of Commons. But I don't think we have. You look at the issue with the hospital, the healthcare crisis, you look at housing, you look at jobs. Brampton has been left behind. And I think people really need to take a look at the people that we're electing and whether they're actually in it for us and whether they're actually willing to fight for us.
Brampton Centre has already very strong voice in shape of Sarah Singh
Sure,
at
yeah.
the provincial level.
Yeah.
So how far that is helping you?
Sure. So Sarah has been a phenomenal help to me so far. We're very good friends and have known each other for many, many years. But to see her be elected last year in my home riding was a very special moment and was honored to support her last year. But she's been out almost every single night knocking doors with our team, going to events, talking to people, and really talking about having a good federal and provincial member that can work together on issues that matter for the riding. So that's one of the things that I am putting forward, and Sarah has certainly been a big help, and I'm looking forward to her continued support.
Brampton has so many issues, so many problems, fastest growing city in our
Yeah.
country. Lots of immigrants are making it home, but at the same time, Brampton has its own challenges,
Yeah.
own problems, particularly health, you can say.
Yeah.
Infrastructure, we have problem. Affordable housing, we have problem. We don't have any university, and crime is at the increase very fast rate.
Yeah.
So, being member parliament, you have some issues to tackle at the federal level, but
Sure.
many of those issues are at the provincial or the municipal level.
Sure.
So how you think that you will be able to handle with all those issues?
Well, I think any member of parliament's job first is to fight for their community. And I think a lot of times people will be elected and they'll go to Ottawa and then they forget about the people that sent them there. The issues that you mentioned, where were our 5 Liberal MPs the last 4 years fighting for a new hospital in Brampton? Jagmeet Singh was here on day 2 of the campaign to announce funding for a second hospital. He has a plan, and that's something that we haven't seen. Where were our 5 Liberal MPs with affordable housing? We have a plan to build 500,000 new homes across our country, many in Brampton, but haven't had somebody to fight for that. Where were our 5 Liberal MPs for jobs in the city? People are still commuting into Toronto or Mississauga because there's no build up here, and the same with infrastructure. I think the last election we heard a lot of good promises and elected people that should have got the job done. 5 MPs sitting in the government bench. That should have been such an advantage for our city, one of the fastest growing in the country, like you said. But when we elect people that forget about the people that sent them there, these are the results we get. And that's why I'm so excited to be running with a team of 5 incredible candidates in Brampton with a leader that understands our city.
Okay, you were talking about Jagmeet working with the national leader and particularly in Ottawa. So how it's going to help you, you think, that if you are elected as a member of parliament?
Sure. So the time I spent in Ottawa, I saw firsthand how much of a difference a member of parliament can make for their communities and the difference between MPs that are fighting for those issues and those who are not. So I understand how the system works. I saw it firsthand. I worked in it and think that'll lend itself well if I'm lucky enough to be elected to actually fight for these issues that our community needs.
ਜਾਰਡਨ ਨੇ ਜਗਮੀਤ ਸਿੰਘ ਦੇ ਐਗਜ਼ੀਕਿਊਟਿਵ ਅਸਿਸਟੈਂਟ ਦੇ ਵਜੋਂ ਕੰਮ ਕੀਤਾ ਹੈ ਔਰ ਆਟਵਾ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਰਹਿ ਕੇ ਕੰਮ ਕੀਤਾ ਹੈ ਤੇ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਦਾ ਕਹਿਣਾ ਹੈ ਕਿ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਉਹਦਾ ਕਾਫੀ ਤਜਰਬਾ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਹੋਇਆ ਹੈ ਉਹ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਹੈਲਪ ਕਰੇਗਾ ਜੇ ਇਹ ਮੈਂਬਰ ਪਾਰਲੀਮੈਂਟ ਵਜੋਂ ਚੁਣੇ ਜਾਂਦੇ ਹੈ ਪਰ ਬਰੈਂਪਟਨ ਦੇ ਆਪਣੇ ਇਸ਼ੂਜ਼ ਨੇ ਬਰੈਂਪਟਨ ਦੇ ਕਿਹੜੇ ਉਹ ਇਸ਼ੂਜ਼ ਨੇ ਜਿਨ੍ਹਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਸਭ ਤੋਂ ਪ੍ਰਾਇੋਰਟੀ ਤੇ ਹੱਲ ਕਰਨਾ ਚਾਹੁੰਦੇ ਆ ਹੀ ਇਜ਼ ਯੰਗ ਹੀ ਇਜ਼ ਐਨਰਜੈਟਿਕ ਐਂਡ ਹੀ ਹੈਜ਼ ਗੁੱਡ ਐਕਸਪੀਰੀਅੰਸ ਐਟ ਦਿਸ ਸੱਚ ਯੰਗ ਏਜ ਅਸੀਂ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਨਾਲ ਕੁਝ ਹੋਰ ਗੱਲਾਂ ਬਾਤਾਂ ਕਰਦੇ ਹਾਂ ਔਰ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਇਸ਼ੂਜ਼ ਬਾਰੇ ਖਾਸ ਤੌਰ ਤੇ ਗੱਲਬਾਤ ਕਰਦੇ ਹਾਂ ਇੱਕ ਬ੍ਰੇਕ ਤੋਂ ਬਾਅਦ